Okay, so we're going to do an overview of temporary order of protection. Okay, so upon application of presentment agency, court may issue temporary order of protection against the respondent for good cause shown via ex parte or upon notice at any time after the juvenile is taken into custody pursuant to sections 305.1 or 305.2, or upon issuance of an appearance ticket 307.1, or filing of petition 310.1, right? So temporary order of protection can be application of presentment agency, ex parte or upon notice, anytime after juvenile is taken into custody, okay, or issuance of an appearance ticket or filing of a petition. That's number one. And again, this is FCA 304.2, temporary order of protection. 2, temporary order of protection may contain any provisions authorized on the making of an order of protection, 352.3. Okay, and a temporary order of protection is not a finding of wrongdoing. Okay. Number 4, temporary order of protection issued or extended post filing of petition shall contain an expiration date, and may remain in effect until order of disposition is entered. Okay, and then temporary order of protection, this is 4A, issued prior to the filing of petition may remain in effect for initial period of up to 30 days and may be extended by the court for an additional 30 days for good cause or where juvenile's case is being adjusted, 308.1, for a period coinciding with adjustment prior to expiration of order. Probation service, presentment agency, or attorney for child may move to vacate upon successful completion. B, temporary order protection may be extended one more period of 30 days, up to 30 days. When the court is finding compelling reason where the case is not being adjusted or adjustment was terminated unsuccessfully, court's going to determine if the presentment agency made diligent efforts to file petition and the reason for delay. And then finally, because I couldn't fit the last one on the card, which is C, give me a minute here. Any application for an extension of a temporary order of protection under this section shall be on notice to the juvenile, who shall have an opportunity to be heard and shall have a right to counsel pursuant to section 249 of this act. Okay, can I get this like shortened? I don't know, this is a lot of information. Basically, they're going for a temporary order of protection. It's going to be filed upon application by the presentment agency. There's 3 ways you can do it. Presentment agency by ex parte or upon notice, anytime after the juvenile is taken into custody. Second way, issuance of an appearance ticket. Third way, filing of a petition. Okay, I'm gonna skip 2 because it's like, whatever. Temporary order of protection is not a finding of wrongdoing. That's nice and simple. Okay, then we have the temporary order of protection post filing of petition and prior to filing of petition. So after the filing of petition, it shall contain an expiration date and may remain in effect until the order of disposition entered. And then prior to filing the petition, it may remain in effect for an initial period of up to 30 days, and then you can extend it by court for an additional 30 days for good cause or if the juvenile's case is being adjusted, okay, for the period coinciding that adjustment. prior to expiration of order. Oh, this is a separate, okay. Prior to expiration of order, probation service, presentment agency, or attorney for child may move to vacate. So they may move to vacate upon successful completion, right? So that was when the juvenile's case is being adjusted, right? But then there's the next one, which is if it's not, the case is not being adjusted, or adjustment was terminated unsuccessfully, right? And so then the temporary order protection may be extended one more period of 30 days if the court finds a compelling reason. Okay, and the court's gonna look into, what's going on with the presentment agency, with the filing of the petition, and what's the reason for the delay. I tried to make it compact, but it is what it is.